Good afternoon. Hi, this is Shakthivel, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Now we're going to see about the SNSCE roadmap, how it helps and improve the growth of the students community. For example, we are all working in a DT chapter, that is design thinking approach. That vision is build an entrepreneurial mindset through design thinking framework. So a common mind into the business mind. How it is connected with the students through 3P culture, to Spine, through iHub, through 7+7 industry verticals and industry technologies. So these are all the main things which are focused for the students to grow themselves better in the world. So how the SNS roadmap connect with the students improvement? Let's see the students growth through the roadmap. The roadmap influences, challenges, common minds and business, design thinking, that is human-centered innovation, 3P culture, 5 pillars, and Spine. The most important thing is objective key result. What we frame for the OKR, that is objective key result, is the main thing to improve the students' knowledge and creativity. So, let's see the example for the roadmap that creates chaos to the creativity for the students in the SNS. Let's take Arjun as an example. He is a mechanical engineering student. Though he is a mechanical engineering student, he is more interested in IT sector, and also he is interested to become an entrepreneur. So he is not okay with certain things what are required for the IT sector or not. He isn't. He was excellent. He started career as a mechanical engineering student in a first year. He started with a lot of confusions, and he started to study Azure fundamentals, and he started to study an IBM certification course as practitioner and co-creator and etc. AI essentials and all. So he is more interested to do projects in such a field. He has lack of confusions in his state. So he guided with some mentor in SNS. So they asked it to study about the design thinking things. So the first stage of design thinking approach is empathize. He collected more things in the existing things, particulars, and collected data from the existing things, and study about that things, and created more effective usable things for his project. And he defined the state, what all things he collected, he giving the solution for the problem statement through the empathy. And he ideate the ideation through design thinking concept, which was created by him, and collected the things. He addressed the things, what are all things he collected from the existing things. So he giving the better solution for the problem statement, and creating a prototype for the solution. So as compared to the existing one, he created more valuable thing for the problem statement. Finally, he gone for the testing approach, and the testing approach gives a excellent valuable output for him. So he is more interested to do valuable things through his entrepreneurial things and all. Through design thinking framework, he worked hard for his project and give the solution. Apart from that, 3P culture is there. That is purpose, process, people. Though he gives Arjun build a team, startup team around his culture. That is purpose, to use engineering to make the campus safer and more efficient. Purpose, that is purpose. Then the process is to adapt, learn and agile workflow inside the campus. And people, Arjun ensured the people on his team, from coders to assemblers, where he motivated and respected. Beyond that, the spine is more important for him to showcase his talent and unique nature. So through this robotics club, he involved more and more in robotics club and participated in more and more hackathons and competitions in and outside the college, inter-college events and all. He created more positive approach on him. The most important thing is 5 pillars. Center for Learning and Teaching. He creates a n number of opportunities for learning and teaching in SNS, and he created more projects, and he transferred his skill and area. He transformed his knowledge into as a project, and created more opportunity through this project, and getting more opportunities to connect with industry persons through PCB designs and fault detections and all. So it is an mechanical student. He is more interested in IT sector. So the project directly contributed to the safer, smarter and more efficient campus environment. So the 3C culture is, first one is attitude, logic and technique. He maintained his an optimistic attitude, reinforcing a project on solution, not the failure. He used logic and system analysis to isolate the source of an electromagnetic interference, that is the logic. Technique, he applied advanced technique learned in the lab to redesign the sensor, shielding and improve the transmission protocol. Overcoming setbacks, 3C framework. During the final test phase, the sensor failed to transmit the data accurately during peak traffic hours due to electromagnetic interference. The system was into chokehold again. Arjun tackled this using 3C framework, that is attitude, logic and technique. It helps a lot to overcome the chokeholds in the Arjun's project. So finally, the SNS roadmap gives plenty of opportunities and gives them clear-cut idea towards his solution and improve among technical knowledge and communication growth. So his project achieved significant recognitions, solidifying his pathway towards entrepreneurship track. Arjun's journey proved that the following the SNS roadmap, from the empathy of the DT to the disciplined technique and logic of 3C framework, through the Center for Learning and Teaching, Center for Creativity, Skill and Career Development, Industry Institute Partnership Cell and Social Responsibility Initiative, that is DT framework, 3P culture, spine and smart OKRs. And finally, he is more talented to choose into the creativity through SNS roadmap. So SNS gives plenty of knowledge to the students to improve their own with the idea creation and innovation through DT framework. It gives more, it creates more opportunity for the students through design thinking framework. So in future, the student or the person in an SNS, he will become a innovator or a invention people in the world. So it gives a clear idea about our innovation and business towards excellence through design thinking framework. Thank you.